Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Bahe. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in 2020 from Nagpur University in ETC stream. Uh, after engineering, I was searching I was searching for job, and one of my friend told me about the Evision. Evision is helpful and supportive, focus on preparing freshers for interviews and professional often praising the quotas quantity of training. It is the program that support and provide throughout the job search process. I have learned so much during the Evision training, and I also truly believe that it was because of the teaching that I was able to excel in my interviews, and the mock interview is very beneficial in preparing me for the real world interviews. Finally, I got selected in Accenture. With 3.5 LPA, and also hold many offers from TCS, Coca-Cola, and etc. So at last, I will thanks to the Vision for everything. With all the efforts, I got selected and had a job in the pocket. Thank you for support. Thank you for the support to the Vision team, and also for the staffs, and to all the Vision and all the Vision member. The the training process through the training process, from training process to the job searching process in Evision, it's very helpful. All the staffs are very helpful. They will help you out throughout the process, and it's a very great place to learn. And you can land a dream job from technical background to the technical background. You can means you can land your dream job in IT industry through Evision. It's it gives efforts to the people, and it gives a job, perfect job in your pocket.